Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. If you haven't known, my winter break already started, which means I am going to be uploading a lot more for until next year or January 1st. But yeah, I'm so excited to be uploading more because I've just been really busy with school, and I really hope you guys would forgive me for barely uploading. I've tried my best to remember to upload and to actually think of an idea to upload, but yeah, I heard MSP 2 is going to come out soon. So, I just wanted to start this video like how I start with all my videos, just play MSP. But today I wanted to react to my old messages on MSP because if you didn't know, one of my old accounts were hacked and I was so upset about it. So I just created this account, and I've just developed on this account. So yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of rage in my old messages, but yeah, let's see. So let's going to type my password. Hopefully that is correct. I do get my password wrong like a lot. Okay, MSP literally just loaded after 20 minutes. Are you serious? Huh. Okay, so yeah, you could see that I have updated my look on MSP. This is actually really, really cute. My game hasn't really finished loading. Okay, so now we're here. We're just going to go to our messages. Ugh. Come on, MSP. Alright. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna be spamming. I'm clicking really, really hard. Okay. Oof. See, it's gonna take a long time. Okay, so I don't really think every one of my conversations are in here. But let's see, what is this? So, who's your bias? You might have guessed mine, Taehyun. Oh my god, wow, I can tell that message was sent a really long time ago. Well, of course, it literally says 7 months ago. But now, it's like Jungkook. And me, with biases in BTS or in other groups, like if I have to change them, that's like a lot. So I went from Taehyung to Jimin. No, I went from Taehyung to Jungkook to Jimin to Jungkook again. So I can tell this was really, really freaking old. Let's see what this one is, if MSP would bother loading. Diamond Blue is a group chat, so I'm not going to look in that. You guys, MSP, I cannot live with all of this. Lag. See, I could have, hopefully you guys understand now why I can't do many YouTube videos, because, MSP just like way too laggy. Okay. Oh my god, it wouldn't let me. Okay. MSP probably like banned me from messages or whatever. What I just realized? I barely go to games. So maybe I can go. Okay, yeah, let's go on that. I literally forgot what Catwalk is, and since I'm level 27 and I can attend it, let's just see what Catwalk is, you know? I haven't gotten on here for so long. The games tab is pretty unpopular, so I don't think I'm really going to find anybody here. Futuristic, maybe people in the future would wear this. Oh, MSP gave me some good choices, mate. Oh, we actually have some people. I thought it would just vote me. Okay. I mean, well, dressing up is kind of like the most popular thing. If I don't win, yeah. I was like, if I don't win, has to be like what's going on in your mind. But yeah, of course I win because you know I got the helmet and everything. Oh look, they both have the same shirt. I don't know why I I said that. Damn, MSP needs some updates. You know, I just wish MSP would like update the beauty clinic, like actually update the beauty clinic because they never do that. Only when it's Christmas or Halloween. They never do that. Let's look at the D pack. The D pack for this year. Or this month. Or this week. I don't know. Didn't I already buy it? Wait, I think I already bought it, didn't I? Wait, I'm so confused. Did I already buy that? Well, let's check because I always make a look of my D-packs, so maybe I did get it. Did I? I don't think so, but I clearly remember. So let me check my inventory. Oh, this is actually pretty cute. I forgot from where I got that, but I'm pretty sure it's from the Christmas calendar things. You guys, happy early Christmas. Yeah. Lots of things. You know what? 2019 actually passed by very fast. Yeah. Yeah, I got the D-pack. If y'all are wondering what that D-pack looks like, I'll just put it on for you. So I got this hat. Did I just call that a hat? Well, is that one it? I think it is. I don't know if it comes with this. It definitely does not come with that. Excuse me, car. Sorry. That car was really loud and was getting on my nerves. Okay, let's look at the forums. Because, yeah. Issues with messages. Yeah, this is what I was having. I love how everybody's like, okay, Cool. Somebody, oh, I'm gonna cry. I feel like foreigners, school starts on Monday and I don't want my summer to end. Eat tampon cheesecake. Question mark, question mark. Summer, I am legit confused. I'm not awake enough for this. Australia? She might be in Australia. My cactus just died. My break starts today. And just cry then. Girl, it's December? Wait. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with her. You're very delayed. Do you really look VIP? I guess. Oh, guys, I guess. Yeah, I guess I look VIP because I don't see many non-VIPers dressing like me. Well, I mean, I do have a very unique style of my own. I'm very simple, but I'm also so extra. If your diamonds were your friends. Okay. So 2,551. Okay. Would you date them? Would I date who? The person above you asks you out. Would you say yes or no? Comment your answer. Blue, like Sunny B. I mean, her character is cute, but no, sorry. Guess my age by how I dress. Watch this flop, but like guess the person over yours age. Okay. 6, 3, 1. You know what? I think this girl is a good 16-year-old. Say whatever I want. Yep, everything is crashing. No, I'm gonna make my own forum and then I'm gonna come back to you. But I'm gonna say answer truthfully. How old do you think I am? Let's go in this. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in like 50 minutes, but it's probably like 1 second for you. Okay, so basically, I couldn't find my last poll. No, I couldn't find my forum, so I just got an old one, and it looks like 60% of MSP is Namjoon biased, and 40% is Taehyung or Yoongi biased, and people just yeah, they aren't Jimin, Jungkook, Hoseok, or Jin biased, so that's really fun. Looks like I got a message. Let's answer that. Honestly, I don't know why, but read those messages, but I'm going to have to go now. Bye. I really hope you have a good day.